Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy K2 and I am back with another C-drama video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about 4 C-dramas to watch starring Go Ahead actor Stephen Zhang. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Chinese actor Stephen Zhang is creating big waves in Chinese drama land as one of the hottest rising stars in 2020. His popularity soared after starring in the recently concluded slice of life drama Go Ahead. The drama received critical acclaim for its beautiful portrayal of an unconventional family comprising of three non-blood related siblings raised by their two fathers. The drama trended daily on Chinese social media platforms as netizens discussed the various themes and topics showcased on the show: familial love, friendship, the pains of growing up, and remaining positive after experiencing the injustices and struggles of daily life. Steven in particular has been receiving a lot of attention and tremendous praises for his excellent portrayal of Hee-Ji-Kyu, a kind-hearted, devoted, and affectionate man who secretly yearns for his birth mother who abandoned him. The beloved character frequently moved audiences to tears, making them feel his inner heartache and turmoil. Despite all the misfortunes he faces, Hee-Ji-Kyu will also make you roll with laughter with his innocent and pure personality and silly antics. The talented rising actor is not new to audiences as he has starred in various dramas and films since his debut in 2013. As a graduate of the prestigious Central Academy of Drama, Steven is known for touching audiences' heart with his impressive acting and memorable roles. Now that Go Ahead has finished airing, you will naturally want to check out Steven's other work. You are now in luck, as I have compiled a list of Steven's drama for you to add to your watch list, so let's check them out. Number 1. My Huckleberry Friends. This is the drama adaptation of Byung Chang-un's novel Hello Old Times and is the companion piece to the C-drama With You, as the two share the same timelines and character connections. Landy Lee plays Yo Zhao Zhao, who meets Lin Yang, played by Stephen Zhang, on the first day of elementary school, and the two become best friends. Later on, terrible rumors spread in school about the two, and Lin Yang's parents request him to stay away from Zhao Zhao, leading their friendship to fall apart. In order to escape from Lin Yang and her former classmates and make a fresh start, she attends school at Zenhua High School, but she later finds out Lin Yang is also attending the same school. Zhao Zhao is also a math prodigy and she defies her parents and teachers' exceptions by electing to study liberal arts. She goes through many hardships at school, leading her to reconnect with Lin Yang. With his sunny and upbeat personality, Lin Yang helps Zhao Zhao get through her difficult times, and she realizes Lin Yang, whom she always treasured deep in her heart, is a true friend who will always be there for her. My Huckleberry Friends was highly praised for its perfect blend of family, friendship, and romance, and for featuring a timeline fully capturing the cute, humorous, and touching little moments of youth. The nostalgic slice of life drama won the Outstanding Television Series Award at the 5th Hengjian Film and TV Festival of China. Coincidentally, this is also Steven's first drama in a leading role, and it helped him gain recognition in 2017. His portrayal of Lin Yang in My Huckleberry Friends earned him the Best New Actor award at the 7th ICE All-Star Carnival. Your heart will surely melt with Steven's depiction of Lin Yang's incredibly sweet character, with his affection for Yu Zhao Zhao, whom he deeply loves and is very protective of. So start watching My Huckleberry Friends. Number 2. Skate Into Love. Skate Into Love follows the story of a pair of childhood free enemies, speed skater Tang Sui, played by Wu Xian, and an ice hockey player named Liu Bing, played by Stephen Zhang, who share big dreams on the ice. They two were deskmates in the elementary school, and Liu Bing was a timid and cowardly boy who was often bullied by Tang Sui. The two meet again 6 years later at Linsing University, where Liu Bing is the school's star hockey player, while Tang Sui has quit speed skating after a terrible injury. Liu Bing ends up tricking Tang Sui into being his assistant as a form of revenge for all the bullying during their elementary school days. Skate Into Love is the drama that put Steven on the map earlier this year, helping him gain millions of new fans domestically in China and internationally. Drama viewers quickly fell in love with his character, the ice god Liu Bing, who is immensely passionate for hockey. His character is truly boyfriend goals, as he is Tang Sui's biggest supporter. With his intervention and encouragement, he helps Tang Su to find the courage to chase her speed skating dreams again. Our OTP Tang Su and Liu Bing have incredible chemistry as they have many sweet and hilarious moments together, with their continuously bickering that naturally transitions into genuine care and love for each other. Skate into Love is a heartwarming and inspiring romantic comedy that you don't want to miss out now. So start watching Skate into Love. Number 3. Young Blood. Steven starred in his first historical drama last year called Young Blood. The story is set during the Northern Song dynasty, which is at war with the Western Xia. It's a dangerous and turbulent time as spies have infiltrated the capital to gather intelligence on the Northern Song government. In order to protect their country, 6 young individuals are selected to undergo rigorous training and form a team of top elite spies. Upon joining the team, the 6 individuals often clash due to their differing personalities, backgrounds, and hidden agendas. However, as they complete and face various life or death missions, they learn to trust each other and become a formidable team with a strong friendship. Young Blood garnered positive reviews for its portrayal of individuals chasing their dreams and showcasing patriotism for their country. Viewers also praised the drama for its captivating characters and the unpredictable plot twists throughout the show. In the drama, Steven plays Yun Jao-sin, who works alongside Zhao Ziyan in leading the elite team of spies. Audiences loved his mischievous, street-smart character Yun Jao-sin, which is not only super intelligent but also an honorable, kind-hearted and trustworthy man who fully stands by his friends and family. Number 4. Symphony's Romance. Besides Skate into Love and Go Ahead, Steven also starred in a third drama this year, Symphony's Romance, which is the third live action adaptation of the Japanese manga Nodame Canterville by Tomoko Ninomiya. In Symphony's Romance, Steven plays Lee Zhen-yan, an immensely talented musician who receives offers to study abroad from various prestigious music schools from across the world. However, Lee Zhen-yan suffers from severe childhood trauma and puts a halt to his music career as he is afraid to step out into the wilder world with his past continuing to haunt him. Things begin to change when he meets the extraordinary gifted pianist Xiaowo, played by Zeli Lin, who is considered to be even more talented than Zhen-yan. Xiaowo is not your typical heroine with her eccentric personality and quirky behavior, but Zhen-yan can't help but feel intrigued by her as they both share the same passion for music. As the two spend more time together, Lee Zhen-yan begins to slowly heal from the wounds of his past, and with Xiaowo's help, he finds the courage to pursue his dreams. Although Symphony's Romance is an adaptation of Nodame Canterville, it's a toned-down version compared to the craziness in the Korean and Japanese version, making it more of a standalone drama. Our main lead, Lee Zhen-yan, seems arrogant and aloof on the outside with high standards for music and life. He has always dreamed of being a conductor, but he cannot move forward in his life as he is trapped by the ghosts of his past. Drama fans loved Steven's portrayal of Lee Zhen-yan as he is a much kinder, gentler and sweeter version in contrast to the character in the original Japanese drama. The romance between our OTP, Xiaowo and Lee Zhen-yan can be described as much more mature and grounded as their relationship develops naturally from mutual admiration to a partnership where they see each other as equals, both personally and professionally. They work together as a team to fully support each other's ambitions and dreams, while also helping each other through their adversities and insecurities. Besides being a romantic comedy, this drama is also an inspirational drama that focuses on friendship, personal growth and following your dreams. So start watching Symphony's Romance. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I really do hope that you have liked this video, and I am currently watching the dramas Lost Romance, Dating in the Kitchen and Record of Youth. So you could consider to watch all of these dramas as well, and if you have watched the video till here, just give a thumbs up to the video guys, and don't forget to subscribe to Drama YT, and yet you haven't followed me on the Instagram handle which is also in front of you as well. It's called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. I will see you later. As always, your K2 love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.